Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Please, if you are new, remember to subscribe it and see a complete tutorial about this broker. Below this video you will find a link for that tutorial. Okay, I'm applying this trading strategy for my real account. This is my real account with $1,014, and I also have a practice account. This is my practice account. You can also open a practice account below this video. So guys, I'm applying this trading strategy which is based on two indicators, the RSI and the Bollinger Bands. Okay, I will do it from the beginning right now, from scratch. I'm using the default setting. Okay, so let me show you. Here are the default setting of the RSI. We already won this one. Okay, and the other one is okay guys, let's apply this indicator here, RSI indicator with the default setting, and let's also apply the Bollinger Bands also with the default setting. Let's apply them, and whenever the price touch this yellow line, we are going to make a call option. Okay, and also we will combine that option with this red line. So for example, we need to make a call option only when the price, like for example here, touch the yellow line and also is close to the red line. I mean, it's oversold. Simple as that. It's a combination. Okay, let's see here. If it's giving me an opportunity, let's make a call option. Yeah, I think we should make a call option after this candlestick close, because it's touching the yellow line and is also touching the red line on the RSI indicator. So let's do it. It's just missing 6 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and let's do. All right guys, so I hope you understand this simple trading strategy with the Bollinger Bands and RSI indicator. Okay, let's just wait for it. Let's see if we are having another. Okay, we have another opportunity here too. Okay, I think we had a delay, but maybe we can win too, because we have almost the same entry than before. We also have the RSI indicator oversold and the price touching the Bollinger Band, the yellow Bollinger Band. Let's wait. We're still missing the 10 seconds, 6 seconds, 4 seconds, and we won, guys. We won both trades. Right guys, as you can see, it's a very simple trading strategy that you can apply to win some trades. This is my real account, as I told you, and you can also use your practice account to apply this strategy. Okay guys, I think that we can make another entry here. Let's just wait. Yeah, I think we can make another call option. once this candlestick is closed, right, it's almost closed, yes, it's closed, the candlestick. So let's make another call option. If the price keep going down, okay, let's do it. Let me do another one just to recover the first one. Right, guys, let's wait for this entry. I think we can win the last one that I entry. Okay, let's wait, and maybe the first one too. It all depends. Remember that the market does whatever it wants. Okay, guys. Nice. We won, guys. Again, we won the 3 entries. This one, this, and also this one. We earned $13 in this trade. Guys, you can also do it like me. But remember, you need to practice. Before you go on a real account like me, you need to practice. You need to practice a lot, okay? Alright, guys, I think that's it for today. Remember, as I told you, if you have any question, just leave those questions on the comment section and I will answer them, okay? If you are going to apply this trading strategy, you need to be patient and disciplined. But overall, you need to be strict to the strategy rules. Okay? Remember to make call option when the price is oversold, meaning that is below the red line on the RSI indicator and also below this yellow one, or at least touching the yellow one, yellow Bollinger Band. Guys, that's it for today. Remember, the next video will be about Olymp trade. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like to this video, please. Before I leave, I want to show you my trading section here. Today's section.